Length, longest substring without repeating characters. So given a string S, we need to find the longest substring without repeating characters. So like ABC, 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 BB. So the longest length of longest substring will be 3, like ABC. So in this string there is no repeating characters. In the same way B, 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 B. So 1 is the length of longest substring because B is the only character which is not repeating. Only substring which has no repeating character. So PW, WKEW. So KEW will be the longest substring. Okay. And WKE also an answer. Like so we need to find the longest substring without repeating characters. Okay. So S is a string with the ABC, ABC and BB. So the approach will be sliding window approach. So we need to find the window which has consecutive window which has like longest substring without repeating characters. So for that, initialize start at 0. Like we need to traverse through the string. Okay. So start equal to 0, end equals to 0. Okay. And 1 will be max length because we need to return the max length. Okay. So like start and then end. 1 will be end and then the max length. Then we will use a data structure like we can use any data structure like hash map, hash table, but we will use the list array list here. So start is 0, end is 0. Okay. So if loop is at 0, start is at 0 and end is at 0, so max length will be 1. So, and the list will have item A and then S is at A, start will be 0. So we are traversing through via end variable. Okay. So end is at 1, then max length will be 2, and then characters in the list will be A and B. So we are at character B. Okay. Then start will be 0, end will be 2. So max length will be 3, correct? And the items in the list will be A, B, C, B, comma C, and we are at character C. Okay. Start will be 0. Okay. End will be 4, end will be 3. So here max length will be still max length will be 3 because we are now character 4. So A is a character which is a repeating character. So the length will be 3 same. But now the characters will be B, C and A, correct? And we are a character. So and like start will be updated. Start will be 1 now. Okay. Start will be 1 now because we have incremented start. Okay. So and 4, then B is also a repeating character. So still the max length will be 3. So the characters will be C, A and B, and we are at character B. So if you are confused like where we are in the string, you can check the end variable. So it is the current index of the string. Okay. So we need to increment. We are incrementing start and then 5. Then again max length will be 3 only. Okay. Because C, A and B. Now we are at C, A and C. So A, comma B, comma C, and we are at character C. Okay. Now incremented because if we are removing a character, that means we are incrementing start also. Okay. Start is 3, end is 6. Okay. Max length will be 3, same. Okay. And the characters will be so B, C. Okay. A, comma C, comma B. Okay. And we are at character B. Correct. 4, 7. Max length will be 3. again A comma C comma B. Okay, and the character will be B. So return max length as max length, which will be 3. Okay, so we can write a program here. So int start equal to 0, end equal to 0, max length equal to 0. List of character. Correct. Okay. Yeah. So while end this name s dot length. Okay. So if list doesn't contain s dot char at. Okay. So if list does not contain the character, then we need to add that character. Correct. So list dot add s dot char at end, and increment end. Every time we need to increment end, and then compare max, update the max length equal to max dot max list dot size, compare with list dot size. Okay. else else क्या होगा, list, if the character is in the list, then we need to remove the character. So character value of. So if we will not use here value of, then what it will do, it will like actually it will give you ASCII value. Okay. So at the end we can return max length. We can try run our program. ABC, BBB, and PW. Okay. And we'll submit. Yeah, correct.